Animal print. Made to resemble the characteristic pattern of the skin or fur of an animal, such as a leopard, tiger, giraffe, etc. Argyle. A pattern of diamond shapes on a plain background. This pattern is used more with items made of wool, such as socks or sweaters. Camouflage. Traditionally used by soldiers so that they can blend or hide without being noticed in their surroundings. Typically, it has shades of green with black and brown. Checked. Consists of alternating squares of different colors, sometimes checkered or checkered with the QU spelling is used instead. Floral. Decorated with a pattern or pictures of flowers. Sometimes flowered or flowery is used instead of floral. Paisley. A detailed pattern of curved shapes that look like feathers, or a teardrop shape with a curved end. Pinstriped. A pattern of very thin, usually white or pale, parallel lines on a darker colored cloth. Plaid. A pattern of horizontal and vertical bands or lines in multiple colors that cross each other. Plain. Not decorated in any way, with nothing added, without a design. It consists of one color. Polka dot. A regular pattern of round spots of the same size and color on a background of a different color. When the spots are different sizes and or color, then it is called spotted. Striped. Marked with a pattern of stripes, which are long lines of color. Tie-dyed. Consists of tying or twisting portions of the fabric or clothing so that parts of it will not absorb the dye. This process is known as tie-dyeing.